In the center of the farm, this advanced crane-style feed mixer truck travels side to side, gathering various ingredients. At high speed and with accuracy, it mixes the ideal nutrition blend for the cows, all accomplished without human labor, taking hours of work off the farmer's hands. Now observe as the cows relish their newly prepared dinner. Dispensed with precise timing and portion size, this automated feed system gives every cow exactly what it requires, increasing health, milk yield, and farm efficiency overall. Later, the automated feed mixer returns, with heavy-duty rotating blades. It remakes the residual feed with perfect remixing, keeping it fresh and uniformly distributed. No effort, no waste, only intelligent farming at its finest. Then there is the Milker Max, the cutting-edge automatic milking machine. It gently milks the cows and removes the milk carefully and precisely. No human touch required, just clean, efficient, and stress-free milking for cows and farmers alike. With its smart sensors, self-cleaning technology, and real-time milk monitoring, the Milker Max revolutionizes dairy farming. It's not a machine, but a 24/7 milking expert that does not sleep. Immediately after milking, hygiene then comes in. This robust GEA manure scraper system sweeps waste off the barn floor, maintaining the environment clean, minimizing odor, and promoting cow comfort. Finally, the Mensch MGF, the heavy-duty four-wheel steer machine for deep cleaning. It easily moves through narrow barn lanes, scraping and gathering waste more thoroughly than ever. Let's analyze the strong features of the Mensch MGF. First, the ski design tracks the floor and scrapes all the way to the curb. Second, shear pins are integrated to keep from damaging the machine if it collides with an immovable object. Third, its proprietary scraper self-adjusts if it meets an obstruction. And fourth, a spring-loaded center pivot maintains the scraper in a stable yet flexible position for an even clean on each pass. Watch the Mensch MGF make a smooth cross-alley turn with its state-of-the-art four-wheel steering system. It glides through tight spots, reaching all four corners of the barn. Now watch it move in full stride. The Mensch MGF sweeps the whole alley end to end with precision and power. No labor, no mess left behind. Just a clean, sanitary barn environment that promotes healthy cows and smooth operations. And look at the change, before and after. From dirty barn alley to spotlessly clean, sanitary area. This is the magic of advanced dairy technology, time saving, increased productivity, and a cleaner farm than ever.